In this video we'll learn to solve simultaneous equations graphically. So let's take two linear equations. One of them is going to be 2x plus 3. So let's plot it here. So when x is 0, y is going to be 3. When x is 1, y is going to be 5. When x is 2, y is going to be 7. When x is 3, y is going to be 9. When x is 4, y is going to be 11, and so on. So I'm going to join the dots together. Now, the other linear equation is x plus 4. So y equals x plus 4. So when x is 0, y is going to be 4. When x is 1, y is going to be 5. When x is 2, y is going to be 6. When x is 3, y is going to be 7, and so on. We can see that we have a solution, which is the point where these two lines cross with each other, intersect. That is when x is 1 and y is 5. Let's check it here. So when x is 1, we'd have 2 times 1 at 3, which should equal 1 at 4. So 2 times 1 is 2, add 3 is 5, and that is equal to 5. Having a look at another two linear equations, the first one is y equals negative 2x, take away 4. So when x is 0, then y is going to be negative 4. When x is 1, y is going to be negative 6. When x is 2, y is going to be negative 8. So going down by 2 each time. And as long as we have 2 points, that's all that we need. And the other linear equation is y equals x take away 8. So when x is 0, y is going to be negative 8. When x is 1, y is going to be negative 7. And you can see the pattern. When x is 2, y is going to be negative 6. And we can clearly see the solution here, which is this point here, and that is approximately (1.5) negative 6.5, approximately. So always the solution to simultaneous equations graphically is the intersection between the two lines, and the x-coordinate of that point of intersection will be the solution for x, and the y-coordinate will be the solution for y.